What's up, guys? It looks like we're going back to Lebanon again to do another column delete. I can't remember if I got the first one on video or not. I may have posted some videos. But yeah, we're gonna knock out one and put these two columns up and this beam right here. It's a big boy. I think it's around 2,000 pounds, 3/4. I think it's an 18 at 65 pounds a foot, and it's 30 feet long. I'll try to get it on video, but we'll be working around a lot of people, so I don't know if it'll be possible or not. We're gonna try to lift it with this. We're gonna pre-lift it here, make sure it doesn't try to tip the tow motor.